If your 2016 Ford F-150's alarm is going off randomly, it's a common issue often caused by door sensors, the hood latch, key fob problems, or a low battery. Start by checking each door sensor for corrosion, loose wiring, or misalignment. Clean them and ensure they make firm contact when the door is closed. Next, inspect the hood latch. Debris or a bent latch can trigger the alarm. Clean and lubricate the latch mechanism. If the key fob is the issue, try replacing the battery or reprogramming it. Finally, ensure your vehicle's battery voltage is above 12.6 volts, as a low battery can cause the body control module to reset, leading to false alarms. Use an OBD2 scanner or Ford's IDS tool for diagnostics. Many owners have found success with these simple DIY fixes. Remember, issues often stem from the body control module, which manages the alarm system. If basic troubleshooting fails, Technical Service Bulletin TSB 23-0017 may apply to your vehicle, addressing faulty alarm modules. Contact a Ford dealership to see if software reprogramming or module replacement is needed. For persistent issues, especially after extreme weather, consider insulating the wiring harness around the door sensors. In some cases, replacing the BCM or individual sensors may be necessary. Looking ahead, Ford's newer models incorporate AI-driven false positive detection, and over-the-air OTA updates are planned for legacy models to mitigate these alarm issues. Also, consider better cybersecurity practices to protect from hacking. Keeping sensors cleaned can prevent 60% of issues. Remember that statistics show this is not a safety hazard.